Where are you? Okay. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. What did you come show me? Did you want food? Marmalade? Okay, I see you came to show me that the bowls are empty. Okay. Let's try to open up your drawer. Okay. Is this what you wanted? You're hungry? Oh gosh, this is a hard one to open. Wait, you have to give me a second. Put your little face down. And try to get it in here. I'm gonna wake up the neighborhood. Okay. Go ahead, you can start eating. Go ahead. I know you're hungry. I'll get the spoon. I'll get the rest of it out. Can you move back a minute so I can get the spoon? Move your little body back. You gotta move your little head back. There's still more food. Okay, now we're all finished. You can go ahead. Go ahead, good boy. Go ahead, you can eat. You were hungry this early in the morning, huh? Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone so you can eat. I'm gonna get my coffee.